Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring a fantastic way to make money online by answering questions. Yes, you heard it right. You can turn your knowledge and expertise into cash from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll dive into some platforms and methods that allow you to answer questions and earn money. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Quora Partner Program. First on our list is the Quora Partner Program. Quora is a popular question and answer platform. You can earn a share of the advertising revenue generated from your content. The participants in the Quora Partner Program earned money based on the performance of their questions. The more views and engagement their questions received, the more money they could earn. 2. Just Answer. Another great platform is Just Answer. Just Answer connects users with experts in various fields. You can become an expert and get paid to answer questions in your area of expertise, whether it's law, medicine, technology, or more. Users can sign up for an account on Just Answer and ask a question related to their specific problem or inquiry. They provide details about their issue and the type of expert they need. 3. Maven. Maven is a professional network that connects experts with those seeking knowledge. You can join Maven as an expert in your field and get compensated for sharing your insights and answering questions. 4. Wonder, formerly Ask Wonder. If you have strong research skills, consider Wonder. Wonder allows you to answer research-based questions and get paid for your efforts. It's a platform where you can put your curiosity to work and earn money. 5. Study Pool. Study Pool is an online marketplace where students can seek help with homework and experts can answer their questions. If you're knowledgeable in various subjects, you can provide answers and get paid. 6. Chegg Study. Chegg Study is another platform that connects students with experts who can help them with homework and assignments. You can become a Chegg tutor and earn money by providing answers and solutions. 7. Experts 123. Experts 123 is a queue and a platform where you can share your expertise and answer questions on a wide range of topics. They pay experts for their contributions, and you can increase your earnings by building a reputation. Users could sign up for an Experts 123 account and start creating articles or content on topics they were knowledgeable about. The platform accepted articles on a broad spectrum of subjects, such as travel, health, finance, technology, and more. 8. Just Chatting or Live Q&A on social media. If you have a strong social media presence or following, you can host live Q&A sessions or just chatting sessions on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook Live. You can monetize your interactions through donations, sponsorships, or ad revenue. 9. Building your online presence. Whether you choose a dedicated platform or decide to answer questions through your social media, remember that building a strong online presence and engaging with your audience is key to success. Consistency and quality responses are key. So there you have it, a variety of ways to answer questions and make money online. Whether you're an expert in a specific field or just have general knowledge to share, there are opportunities waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. And if you have any other methods or platforms you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.